back to my channel. You're here with your girl Jamaican Kim. So what I'm be doing today is making a banana daiquiri. Yeah, the time is too hot. I don't think I'm the only one who is hot, right? It's summertime, so we're all hot, we're all thirsty, we need something to drink, and yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what we're working with. Yes guys, so we just need some simple ingredients to do our banana daiquiri, and the daiquiri that I'm making is a non-alcoholic beverage. So all you need is some ripe banana. I'm using 2 fingers of banana, you can use 1. You need some lime juice, any brand that you prefer. You need some ice and some sugar, or if you have honey, and of course you need a blender. Okay, you definitely need a blender. All right, so let's get started. The first thing I'll be doing is I will be adding my banana, my ripe bananas, into my blender. All of my ripe banana. Then I'll be adding my lime juice, and I'm gonna use about let's say about 2 cork. Okay, let's say about 2 cork. I don't think that reach a cork yet. Yeah, that's about 2 cork, right? Now you don't need a lot of sugar. I only added like about a spoon of sugar. And remember, if you have honey, you can use your honey. Any form of sweetening or sweetener you can use, right? And then we're just getting some ice. Let's start out with like 3 cubes of ice. I'm just gonna add a little bit more ice. It's so cold. So I'm gonna add another one. So I'm adding 3 more cubes of ice, and I'm gonna blend this right now. Because you want it to have like a nice smoothie texture. You don't want it to be too thin, okay? And it's not supposed to be too sweet. So I just turned off my blender. Let's see if it's a texture that we're looking for. Almost. I think it needs a little bit more ice. It's pretty tasty. So I'm gonna add some more ice, guys. I'm gonna add another 3 more. Okay, I think we're ready. I think this is ready. It looks pretty good. Yum. And it smells so good. It's you can smell the banana, you can smell the ripe banana. I can't wait to taste it. Okay, we're gonna pour it in our glass right now, and then we're gonna have a taste. You're gonna taste it with me, okay? You guys be the judge. Ooh, look at that. Yum. A little bit more. Okay. Look at this, you guys. Guys, let me tell us that Jamaica hot, Jamaica hot, Jamaica hot, hot, hot. Make your head hurt, you just feel like you're going crazy. I'm telling you, Jamaica is really hot. Okay, so we're gonna have our banana daiquiri. And remember, this daiquiri is not the one with the alcohol. This is a virgin banana daiquiri. Virgin, okay? But if you like a little bit of tasting of rum, you can tip a little rum in it. Little Ray and Nephew. A little, what's the other brand of rum? I don't know. I don't drink, so I don't know. I'm a virgin girl, so I don't know. Alright, so this is how our banana daiquiri is looking. My glass of banana daiquiri. I'm gonna try. This is really good. And if you drink it too fast, you might have a brain freeze. So you have to take your time and have it, okay? Take your time and drink it. Don't drink it too fast. I always be drinking these stuff too fast, and it gives me a terrible brain freeze. But it tastes so good, I can't help it. You guys want to taste? Have a taste. Okay. So good. This is the bomb. The bomb, the bomb. We're getting there. It's almost finished. So guys, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. What else? Leave a comment. Tell me what you thought about my video. And maybe what next you'd like to see me do in my video. And yeah, just keep rocking with me, okay? So I'll see you next time in another video. Bye. I need another one.